All right, are you tired of that weight you have? Are you tired of that big stomach? You want to reduce the stomach? Hey, please watch this video. Trust me, it's going to help you. So the first version, I'm going to show you like 3 versions. The first version, we are going to chop our cucumber. We are going to chop our cucumber. Then after chopping it, we are going to also chop celery. We are going to also chop celery. For the new viewers, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Then we are going to also chop the apple. You are going to also chop the apple, but remove the seeds of the apple. Then after, you're going to squeeze lemon juice. You're going to get lemon juice. So you're going to also grate some ginger. You're going to also grate some ginger. You're going to grate some ginger. Then after grating some ginger, you're going to apply the apples in the blender. After applying apples in the blender, you apply the cucumber. Then add the celery in the blender. Then after, apply the ginger. Apply the ginger. Then after, you're going to apply lemon juice and water, and cold water. Then after, you're going to blend. After you're going to blend, please, you can keep it in the fridge so that you can take 4 glasses every day. So serve immediately. Don't strain. Then the second version, you are going to chop cucumber. You're going to chop our cucumber. You set it aside. You're going to chop the cucumber. You set it aside. So after chopping the cucumber, we are going to chop the apples. You're going to chop the apples. Then you are going to also chop the celery. You're going to also chop the celery. Then even spinach. You're going to also chop the spinach. You're going to also chop the spinach. Then also get ready with lemon juice. Then in your blender, apply the apples. Apply the apples. Then after, apply the apples. After apply spinach. After applying spinach, apply cucumber. After applying cucumber, you're going to apply the ginger. After applying the ginger, you're going to apply the celery. After applying the celery, apply lemon juice. Then after applying lemon juice, you're going to apply water. Blend, but don't strain. Blend, but don't strain. Take immediately. You can use one version. You can take the first version or the second version. So take immediately. Make sure that you take 3 glasses every day. WhatsApp me. I also give you other guidelines, because you have also some foods you have to leave. You have to also leave the fatty foods. So WhatsApp me on that number. Then the third version, we are going to first grate our carrot. After grating the carrot, we are going to squeeze juice from the lemon. You set it aside, but remove the seeds. Then after, you're going to get your blender. Apply the carrots. Apply the ginger. Apply the lemon juice. Apply the lemon juice. After applying the lemon juice, apply the cold water. Then blend. Serve immediately, but don't strain. But this is the note. Please, if you have ulcers, don't try this. If you have ulcers, don't try this. And if you want to reduce the stomach is getting big every day, please take 4 glasses every day. WhatsApp me for more guidelines. Then for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube.